Yum, yum, fishy. Just got through searing one side. Finishing up searing the other side here. Go ahead and turn off the oven, the eye heat. It's loosening up now. It's getting ready to be done searing on that side. That look nice. And to finish it up, we are simply going to put it in the oven for just a few minutes to make sure it flakes and gets done on the inside. But like I said, with it being this thin, it's probably already done. And if it's just on the edge, you can let it sit there and set for a few minutes and it'll finish cooking itself. Salmon meat cooks fairly easily. I hope y'all are having a good day. Take some time to care for yourself, feed yourself well. Didn't take that much time or skill. Like I said, today all we used was olive oil, some salt and pepper. Easy, easy. Put the skillet on medium heat, let it heat up until the oil shimmered, and then we put a sear on each side for just a few minutes, 2 to 3 minutes a piece. It takes so little time, I am going to go ahead and even turn off the oven now. You can hear it sizzly in there. And the thing with cooking salmon is when you see the white fat come out the side, that's definitely an overcooked piece of fish. So you want to be wary of that. You can see that's just starting to produce that white fat on the side, so we probably got it just right. So we'll go ahead and put that on a plate and eat it. That's all there is to it. And if you wanted to make this for one of your mates, all you'd have to do is make a little rice, maybe microwave some Brussels sprouts or some broccoli, or maybe even just broccoli. Put a little lemon juice on both. Some Parmesan cheese on the broccoli. You'd be good to go. I thank you for your time. I hope you enjoy. Yum, yum. Doesn't it look nice? It's all nice and well done. Flakes as intended. Very yummy, very juicy. Thank you.